Hello everyone, welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev Kumar BJP. Today I am going to discuss about that company. With the help of that company, not only our money will grow, but also they are contributing in our meal as well. So just I am sharing the mind map, TradingView website and Skinner website. And you will understand the story and pain point of the business as well. I am talking about Swaraj Engine Limited. So at first we discuss about the introduction part. This company is established in 1985 in Mohali, Punjab. It specializes in manufacturing diesel engine for agriculture tractors. And this company is an integral part of Mahindra and Mahindra Swaraj division. Okay, second point. Company overview. Joint venture between Punjab Tractors Limited and Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited. I think you must be confused. You have already heard four different names. One is Swaraj Engine, second is Mahindra and Mahindra, third is Punjab Tractors, fourth is Kirloskar Oil Engine. Everything I am going to clear to you. But before moving further, please press the like button. Thank you so much. So the company actually at first Punjab Tractors Limited manufacturing Swaraj Tractor. Punjab Tractors Limited was manufacturing Swaraj Tractor. Okay, and the in Swaraj Tractor the investor was Punjab government, but due to some policy changes Punjab government was withdrawing their stake. Now, then in 2007, Mahindra and Mahindra jumped in the game. So, in Punjab Tractors Limited, actually, Punjab Tractors Limited was manufacturing Swaraj tractor, and Swaraj Engine Limited was manufacturing engine for Swaraj tractor, and this company was providing engine to Punjab Tractor to manufacture Swaraj tractor. And in Swaraj Engines Limited, there were two promoters. One was Punjab Tractors Limited and another was Kirloskar Oil Engine. But after 2007, when Mahindra and Mahindra had bought all the stakes from Punjab Tractors Limited, then after 2007 onwards, Mahindra and Mahindra become the owner. So now Swaraj Tractors Limited owned by Mahindra and Mahindra. And Mahindra and Mahindra also bought the stake from Punjab Tractors Limited from Swaraj Engines. Earlier, Swaraj Engines Limited, the promoter was Punjab Tractors and Kirloskar Oil Engine. But after 2007, the promoter changed. Now the promoter is Mahindra and Mahindra and Kirloskar Oil Engine Limited. But after some years, Mahindra and Mahindra bought the share from Kirloskar Oil Engine. Kirloskar were holding 17% stakes. So Mahindra and Mahindra bought all the stake from Kirloskar. Now Mahindra and Mahindra is the only promoters in Swaraj Engines. This is the story of Swaraj Engines Limited. And this company manufactures diesel engine ranging from 22 HP to above 65 HP. And over 1.6 million engines supplied to date for Swaraj tractors. So this is the very good experience in manufacturing Swaraj engine. So one question from all of you guys, if you have heard about this company from anywhere, either from YouTube or new channel, please write in the comment box yes. If you have not heard, no, please write in no. It's a matter for me. Key historical events. As I told you, in 1985 it is incorporated, and in 2007 Mahindra and Mahindra acquired the majority stake in Punjab Tractor, integrating Swaraj engines into its operation. Now jump into fourth point. Product portfolio. Product portfolio is diesel engines tailored for agriculture tractors, engine components and high-tech parts, advanced manufacturing facilities with precision quality analysis. Fifth, market presence. Supplies engines exclusively to Mahindra and Mahindra Swaraj division. So at present, Mahindra and Mahindra manufacturing Swaraj tractor, and the Swaraj Engines Limited is the supplier for engines. Hold a significant position in India's agricultural machinery sector. Point 6, growth prospects. Increasing demand for agriculture machinery in India, growth prospect is very crucial. So agriculture machinery in India is in demand. Potential for expansion into new markets and product segment, and opportunities arising from promoting government initiatives promoting mechanized farming. Seventh point, potential risk. Because Swaraj Engines Limited is fully dependent upon the Mahindra and Mahindra Swaraj divisions for sale. So this is the huge risk. What do you think about this? I don't think there is any risk, because Mahindra and Mahindra is the only promoter. So how can it stop taking engine from Swaraj engine? Second risk is exposure to fluctuation in agriculture sector performance. Definitely, there is fluctuation in sector performance. And third is competition in every sector. So in this field also there is competition. These are the risks. Now 8 point, unique selling proposition. Exclusive supplier to a leading tractor brand in India, proven track record, over 1.6 million engine delivered, commitment to quality and technological advancement. Now last point, after that we will jump to the fundamental analysis. This is the summary. Swaraj Engines Limited plays a crucial role in India's agriculture sector. Second is strong financial and strategic partnership position it well for future growth. And third is awareness of potential risk is very important for stakeholder. So now we jump to the fundamental analysis on Screener website. Before moving further, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video I am creating for the educational purpose only. Market cap 4,853. This is a small cap company. ROC 51%. ROC 7 years average 49%. Very good ROC. ROE is also very good. Sales growth 10%. It's okay. Sales growth average 7 years more than 10%. It is also very good. Profit growth is also 13%. Operating profit margin is also good, 13%. Average 10 years is 14%. Promoter holding is more than 50%. Debt to equity ratio 0. Zero debt company. Pledge percentage, there is no pledge. See the chart. Earning per share is increasing. This is very good point. Now see the profit and loss statement. Revenue is growing. OPM is also increasing. And net profit is also growing. Balance sheet. 12 crore equity capital maintain here. Reserve is also good. Only September 2024, we can see there is some, I think 356 to become 330, but earlier it is good. Borrowing zero, debt free company. Cash flow, company is also generating cash, 142 crore from operation. Debtors day is very less, 31 days. Investor, you can see here only two promoters, Mahindra and Kirloskar. Now only one, Mahindra and Mahindra, 52% stake. FII increasing, their percentage you can see 2.55 to 2.86 to 3.23, now 3.35%. And DII is also increasing, 8.84 to 8.89, now it is 9.77. So company is fundamentally strong. Now see the chart. You can see in the chart, here you can see this is a cup and this is a handle. Okay. And just to draw a horizontal line here. From 2017, it was in consolidation phase. And in May 2023, it had given breakout. This is the breakout candle. Volume is also big. And from June 2023 onwards, share price is increasing. And from here, if you measure, approximately more than 100% share price increased in 1.5 years only, less than 2 years. And here you can see the thing. After August 2024, share price was in consolidation phase due to market fall, and last month it had given breakout. This is the breakout candle with the huge volume, and again in this month share price is above from last month's share price. So this is the perfect time to buy the share if you have not bought as yet, and if you are already holding, and if you want to add the tranche, you can add. So if you found this video useful, please subscribe my channel and share my channel to all your friends. And if you are serious and if you want to learn from me one to one, please message me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Thank you so much.